Next is mode of the group data. So group data, we are checking group data is always in group, and now we have to calculate mode of the group data. For that, the formula is L plus F1 divided by F1 plus F2 multiplied by C. What is F1? F1 is the absolute difference between the frequency of mode class and of its immediate preceding class. F2 is the absolute difference between the frequency of the mode of the uh, mode of the class and that is immediately succeeding class. C is the width of the class. Correct na? So again, if formula is not clear, there is no issue. Once we will discuss the question, it will be clear. So check question. Here is the take something here. So now tell me, this is the group. This is group data 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. All these are what? These are groups. Now these are the frequency number of form. So you can say that in lakh rupees, if you will, you can say that these number are the revenue profit of a company. A company, we have taken a sample of some company, that maybe if you will add some of 113 company, we have taken sample, and we checked what is the total profit, annual profit. We found that 10 company has annual profit less than 2 lakh rupees, and 12 company has annual profit less than 2 lakh, but 4 lakh, but more than 2 lakh. So their profit is between 2 to 4. Another company has profit between 4 to 6. There are 15 companies. So in this way, we have certain number of companies, and these are the group, how much they are earning profit. Because every time absolute number is not convenient. Like in case of run, if you want to check the run of a batsman, so run may be generally 1 to 100 any run. So it would be better if we will calculate up to 10 run in how many time he have scored, up to 20 run how many time he has scored, up to 30 run how many time he has scored. So that is better way to calculate the batsman efficiency. So here is the same way. Revenue maybe 1 lakh, revenue may be 1 lakh 10 rupees, revenue may be 1 lakh 20 rupees. So we can't take all these items. It would be better if we will group less than 2 lakh, less than 4 lakh, less than 6 lakh. So that is better. Now manually we have to check and we have to confirm which is the maximum, where is the maximum frequency. What is the maximum frequency? We have to check. So I will ask from someone maximum frequency. Swati, tell me what is the maximum frequency? Here
20,
in, very good. 20 is the maximum frequency. Easily we can check.
20, sir.
20 is the maximum frequency. So it is very easy to check that 20 is the maximum frequency. So what will be the L? Lower limit of this cell means 8. L is 8. And uh, so L is 8. And what is the F1? This one is not correct. What is F1 and what is F2? So F1 I told 20 minus 17. F2 is equal to 20 minus 16. So let me write here for your easy understanding. L is equal to 8. Here is the 8 lower limit. Then next is F. F is equal to 20 minus 70. 20 minus 17. So that is 3. And F1, in fact this is F1, and F2 is equal to 20 minus 16, that is 4, and C is equal to difference of this cell. So this is equal every place, so C is 2. Now we have to calculate, we have to use this formula, means 8 plus F1 plus F2 multiply by 2. So F1 is again 8 plus F1 is equal to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2. So again is equal to 8 plus 3 divided by 7 multiplied by 2. So now we can, if you will calculate, you will get the answer. So let me calculate using the Excel sheet to save the time. Is equal to 8 plus 3 multiply 2 divided by 7. So that is the 8.85. So this is the mode. This is the mode of the total number of companies. Total number of company we can easily check here. See, just I selected here, sum is showing the sum. So this is the sum part here. This is the sum part. So we come to a conclusion that in these 113 companies, maximum number of companies are earning around 8.85 lakh. This is the mode. So mode is clear.